At what stage should teams involve users who rely on assistive technologies? The general rule is to include the voices of people with disabilities early and often. However, the type of involvement should shift depending on where you are in the development process. Early research and design. Involve users early to inform your team's understanding of expected behaviors. Learning how people interact with the web using their assistive technology helps you avoid making fundamental mistakes that would require major remediations later. 2. Testing after initial fixes. While early engagement is great, formal UX testing is often most valuable after an initial audit and the remediation of major blockers. If a site is completely broken, a user won't be able to provide feedback beyond the fact that they are blocked. Testing after major fixes allows users to provide more nuanced information on the actual experience, like whether a workflow is intuitive, rather than just listing technical errors. 3. Continuous engagement. The goal is to inform the process throughout, so that by the time you reach the final product, you've created a successful user experience for everyone. Accessible web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our platform, services, and education offerings.